In our previous session, we explored three stories illustrating the environmental, social, and governance aspects. Today, we will dwell deeper into defining ESG, examining what it encompasses, and understanding how it differs from the broader concept of sustainability. There are several definitions of ESG available. Following are some of the definitions of ESG. Environmental, social, and governance criteria are a set of standards for how a company operates in terms of sustainable practices, social impact, and ethical governance. ESG is a framework that helps stakeholders understand how an organization is managing risk and opportunities related to environmental, social, and governance criteria. Another definition could be ESG is a holistic approach to business that considers the triple bottom line of people, planet, and profit. ESG is a set of principles that guide companies to be responsible and sustainable in their operations. ESG is a set of criteria used by investors and other stakeholders to assess a company's sustainability performance. However, we will use the following definition of ESG. ESG factors are a set of criteria used to evaluate how a company operates in terms of its environmental, social, and governance risk and opportunities. These factors can have a material impact on the financial performance and long-term sustainability of the company. Let us go through the various parts of the definition in greater detail. A set of criteria refers to a specific list of standards or benchmarks used to evaluate something. For example, EBITDA, PBT, or PAT are criteria to evaluate profitability of a company. In the context of ESG, these criteria are used to assess a company's performance in relation to environmental, social, and governance factors. Examples of criteria could include carbon emissions for environment, employee welfare for social, or board independence for governance. These criteria can be quantitative like carbon emission, water intensity, or qualitative like board diversity or labor practices. Coming to the second part of the definition, the three pillars of ESG, environmental, social, and governance, represent distinct but interconnected areas that reflect how a company affects and interacts with the world around it. Environmental focuses on how a company impacts the natural environment. It includes criteria like carbon emissions, waste management, water usage, and resource conservation. Social examines how a company manages relationship with stakeholders such as employees, customers, suppliers, and the broader community. This includes factors like labor practices, diversity and inclusion, community engagement, customer data protection, and respect for human rights. Governance addresses the structures, policies, and practices that govern a company's operations and decision making. This includes board composition, executive compensation, ethics, anti-corruption policies, transparency, shareholder rights, and risk management practices. The third part of the definition states that ESG factors can present both risk and opportunity for a company. Let's start with risk. Poor performance or neglect of ESG factors can expose companies to regulatory fines, reputational damage, operational disruptions, and even legal liabilities. For example, companies with poor human rights record may face regulatory penalties, while those with poor governance practices might struggle with shareholders' trust and financial instability. Coming to opportunities, effective management of ESG factors can lead to competitive advantages, innovation, customer loyalty, and new revenue streams. For instance, investing in sustainable practices could reduce operational costs, or adopting diverse hiring practices may lead to better talent acquisition and retention. Material impact means a significant and measurable effect on the company's financial performance and business outcomes. ESG factors can have a material impact on the company's bottom line or its ability to operate in the long term. Starting with financial performance. Good ESG practices can drive profitability through efficiency gains, reduced risk exposure, and stronger stakeholder relationships. Long-term sustainability refers to a company's ability to operate successfully over the long term, adapting to changes in environmental conditions, social expectations, and regulatory landscapes. ESG practices helps companies build resilience, ensuring they are not only financially viable but also responsible and adaptable. In summary, this definition underscores that ESG factors provides a structured approach to understanding the risks and opportunities that affect a company's financial outcomes and ability to sustain itself over a period of time. One concept which is very often interchangeably used with ESG is sustainability. One of the best and the most commonly used definition of sustainability was given by the United Nations Brundtland Commission in 1987. They defined sustainability as meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Some other definition of sustainability may include: sustainability is the ability of a business to survive and thrive in the long term while contributing to the well-being of people, planet, and prosperity. Sustainability is the ability of an organization to maintain its existence and achieve its objectives without compromising its economic, social, and environmental viability. Sustainability integrates environmental, social, and governance consideration to ensure long-term viability, minimize negative impacts, and create lasting value for the stakeholders. So, all of these definitions focus on long-term viability, balance between present and future needs, and emphasize on social justice, equity, and well-being. To this extent, it sounds very similar to ESG. So, what is the difference between the two terms? ESG and sustainability are closely related but distinct concepts. ESG specifically examines a company's environmental, social, and governance practices, assesses how well these areas are managed to help investors gauge risk and long-term value of a company. ESG is short-term focused, metrics-driven, and concerned finally with the financial performance. Sustainability, on the other hand, aims at meeting today's needs without compromising future generations' ability to meet theirs. It is broader in scope, emphasizing long-term ecological balance, social equity, and economic resilience, often guided by principles like the UN SDG. While ESG is investor-oriented and helps shape responsible practices today, sustainability strives to create positive, lasting impacts on society and the environment. In summary, ESG is a business-focused concept, while sustainability encompasses a broader societal perspective. ESG can be seen as a subset of sustainability, primarily serving the interests of investors and financial institutions, whereas sustainability addresses a wider group of stakeholders, including communities and future generations. Think of sustainability as an ultimate destination and ESG as a roadmap guiding businesses towards a positive role in achieving it.